In a dramatic turn of events that has left fans of Pawn Stars stunned, Rick Harrison, one of the show's most recognizable faces, is now facing serious allegations after a former assistant took the stand and delivered a shocking testimony in court. The courtroom revelation has cast a new light on the reality TV star, raising questions about the behind-the-scenes workings of his famed gold and silver pawn shop and the man himself. The former assistant, whose identity is being protected due to ongoing legal proceedings, worked closely with Harrison for several years during the height of Pawn Stars' success. In court, the assistant claimed that the public persona Rick Harrison cultivated, a savvy, no-nonsense businessman with a heart for history, was a carefully crafted facade. According to testimony, the reality off-camera was far more troubling. Among the most serious claims made were allegations of workplace misconduct, manipulation, and exploitation. The assistant testified that Harrison frequently pressured staff to work overtime without proper compensation and allegedly created a hostile work environment. "If you questioned him, you'd be out," the assistant reportedly stated. "There was a culture of fear. He made sure everyone knew their job was on the line at all times." Even more disturbing were the accusations of financial impropriety. The assistant testified that Harrison occasionally underreported earnings and used company funds for personal expenses without proper documentation. While these claims have yet to be substantiated, they have sparked interest from tax and labor investigators who may be looking into the shop's finances. Harrison, who was present in court, appeared visibly shaken during parts of the testimony, but has categorically denied all allegations. His legal team described the assistant's claims as an act of vengeance and an attempt to tarnish the reputation of a respected entrepreneur for personal gain. They argue that the assistant was fired for cause and is now retaliating, out of spite. The courtroom drama has naturally drawn the attention of the media and fans alike. Social media has exploded with theories, divided opinions, and calls for further investigation. While some supporters defend Harrison, insisting that he's being unfairly targeted, others are urging for accountability and transparency. This case is not just a test of Harrison's public image, but also a spotlight on the murky boundaries between reality television and reality itself. For years, Pawn Stars painted a glossy picture of life inside the pawn shop: quirky customers, rare finds, and a team that felt more like family. If the former assistant's allegations prove to be true, the implications reach far beyond Rick Harrison himself. It would expose a pattern of systemic issues that challenge the authenticity of what viewers thought they knew. As the legal proceedings continue, all eyes remain on the courtroom. Whether Rick Harrison will clear his name or be held accountable for these serious claims is still uncertain. But one thing is clear: the truth behind the scenes of Pawn Stars may be more valuable and more volatile than any antique ever brought to the counter.